In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set working hours on Google Calendar. Transitioning from a regular, unstructured schedule to a more organized working one can greatly enhance your productivity, and Google Calendar offers just the tool for this. So let's delve into the step-by-step process and get your schedule aligned with your working hours. First, you'll want to open up your Google Calendar. Navigate to the Google Calendar website and make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once you're there, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a gear icon representative of various settings options. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This area allows you to customize your calendar experience to fit your needs perfectly. Now, as you look to the left-hand side of the settings screen, you'll notice a list under the General category. Scroll down this list until you find Working Hours and Location. Click on it and your focus should shift to the Working Hours section that appears in front of you. To activate the ability to set your working hours, you must click on Enable Working Hours. This initial enabling step is crucial as it allows you to input the precise hours you will be available for meetings or work-related activities and informs others of your available time slots, thereby setting clear boundaries. Once enabled, you'll need to choose the specific days of the week you plan to work. Whether you're adhering to a traditional Monday through Friday schedule or something more flexible, you can pick the exact days that reflect your work week. Directly below each day, you'll see fields to input your start and end times. Customize these according to when you begin and finish work each day. This sets clear expectations for your availability and streamlines scheduling. Should your work routine involve different periods throughout the day, like a morning and an afternoon block, Google Calendar accommodates this. Next to each day, there's a plus button. Click this to add another time slot, beautifully segmenting your day into defined pieces without overlap or confusion. Conversely, if times need to be removed or adjusted, use the button to eliminate unnecessary slots, ensuring your calendar is always up to date. The seamless part of using Google Calendar is that any changes you make are saved automatically. This feature allows you to make frequent updates without the worry of losing any settings. There you have it, a detailed walkthrough on setting up your working hours on Google Calendar. By following these steps, you shape a balanced schedule, giving you greater control over your day and ensuring colleagues see your availability, helping to keep work life efficient and organized.